top five things to say if you run into Mario. Boom. Why is your favorite color red?
Why do you wear a hat?
Why do you wear overalls? Why can't you just wear jeans?
Why is Luigi taller than you? Because you're like, oh, and he's like, wow.
And the number one reason is, why do you have such a big nose? I mean, your nose is like, woo! It's like Barney after the Mexican buffet. So, yeah, if Mario, if you're watching this, please don't be offended. I feel your pain. I'm just trying to figure out why your brother's taller than you and why you're so short and why you have such a big nose. Because your nose is like, woo! Even on the cover for DS games and Wii games. So, you gotta fix that nose problem. Thanks for watching. Top 5 reasons if you run into Mario. Thanks.